People, how are you all doing? I hope you having a great weekend. Okay, it's a beautiful weekend, beautiful weather out there. Okay, so if you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. Here I do send prediction on what price is likely to do next week, and we've been killing it. It's been going according to plans. All right, just like last week, I was mentioning this fair value gap, and finally, price was at this fair value gap. Okay, price was at this fair value gap, and what do we do when price is at the fair value gap? We find a reason to buy, right? Which is what I sent out to my, you can see, this is my receipt. This was the fair value gap, and price moved according to, okay? Price got to this and rejected and started going down. So we hit this target on Friday, which was a massive trade, okay? So I'm the guy that you should listen to. Anyways, I'm not a financial advisor, right? This we're just doing it for educational purpose. Okay, so let's get into the interesting part where I will teach you some things today. Just stay till the end. I'm gonna teach you something, and you should get your pen and paper so that you can write down some stuff that I'm gonna talk about. All right. So now, as you all know, for those who have been following for a while, we do trade 4 hour weekly and 4 hour. Then if you want to drop down on lower time frame, also lower can go on 15 minute to look for more to align the time frame properly. Okay, now watch my time frame alignment video. You can go to check back my channel and look for the time frame alignment video. Watch that, it's going to help you a lot. Doesn't matter what strategy you're trading, okay? Because you need to do top-down analysis and get down, then you catch the nice big trade. Because everybody want to catch those big moves, right? But they end up getting stuck on lower time frame and bro. Okay, so looking at next week, seeing this rejection, there's two ways that we can look at this rejection. Let me show you. Number one, you can look at this like this. You can look at it like this. You can look at it like this. You can see this rejection. We have a rejection from the downside. We're not worried about this upside because we are bullish. All right? Because you might say, what about this one? Don't we need to go down since we had this? Yeah, this has done its job. Okay, it has done its job. So where is price currently right now? Right now, we're here. What did price do now before going up? It came here, swept this, rebalanced this, and also this. Okay, so we're gonna trust this until it fails. It hasn't failed yet. Okay, we need to trust it until what? Until it fails. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So how do we know now that price is likely to continue going higher? That is where time frame alignment comes in. Okay, that's where it comes in. I hope you're just writing these things down, because man, I'm not just doing analysis here, I'm also telling you what we can see before we know that. Okay, looking at price right now, what can you see? Okay, we're on 4 hour. We can see we have another sweep here. We have another sweep here. It's the same way that price came down, it's the same way that it's going to go up. That is what price has been doing all this while. The same way it goes down, you just need to open your eyes and see it. Okay, so this is a high probability. High probability doesn't mean it's not likely to fail. They can just decline the price for no reason. You need to have that in your mind. For no reason, price can just drop for no reason. I'm telling you the truth. Price can drop for no reason. All right, but we need to trust it that this, we've seen what we're looking for. So now we need to align ourselves with the current order flow until it fails. This is what I always tell my students. All right, I'm not trying to put fear inside of you, but I'm trying to make you be on the safe side. Though I'm not a financial advisor, all these things are all for educational purpose. So looking at this price now, when price reacted to that weekly time frame, what did it produce? It produced a 4-hour order block. Okay, that is number one that you need to be like, okay, I don't want to see price go below this. No matter what price do, no matter how it plays around, I don't want to see it go below it. If it goes below this, that means everything here is now invalid. It becomes invalid. All right. So we have this. We have an inversion. We have a fair value gap. So what's stopping price from continue going higher? Nothing for now. So we have our external range liquidity, and this is our internal. Sorry, this is our internal here because we're dealing with the weekly. Okay, this is our internal, and we already have those rejection on the weekly candle and sweep of liquidity on the 4-hour aligns with the. We have a fair value gap here. We have another block. So when price get here, we just have to refine it one more time on the 15-minute. Then we trade this back up here. As simple as that. As simple as that. Okay, just like me calling out signal, but this is not a signal. Okay, this is me teaching you how you can do this by your own self. You can see how I've been able to make this thing so simple, not hiding anything out for you, not restricting anything, not hiding anything. Right. So if you look at this now, this is a market structure shift. Right. Even though if it's with the week, it doesn't matter. It's a market structure shift. Go back on other time frame and look at it and see we broke the high here. Okay, because if we're dealing with daily, let's look at what we have on daily. You can see what we have here on daily. If we're dealing with the daily, you can see we have this rejection, and look at 1 hour time frame alignment. We have fair value gaps here that hasn't been filled yet. We have this breakaway gap. So if this all fail, we expect this breakaway gap to hold. But I don't even want to see price come too deep inside this other block. That's something I don't want to see. That would be telling me NAS wants to keep playing up and down, up and down. But whatever it wants to do, you can keep doing it. As long as it's start giving us those formations that we need, we're good. You understand? We're good. So price hasn't done anything here yet. Price just, okay, I'm showing signs of momentum. Okay, cool. The big players might be in here, but they've not taken their other positions. So with their other, when they're taking their other positions, we're gonna join them. Okay. So if you want to join my, what is it called? My Telegram channels where I do send like. When price is moving, like right, when price is moving, I don't send it after it's done. When it's moving, once I see something based on what I'm talking about, I'm gonna share it. If you want that, you can let me know in the comment section. I can add you. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. It's free. Or if you want the mentorship, where I can also teach you A to Z how I trade, many things that I look to see momentums in the market and all that. Can also comment and we can get it all started, man. You need to start up your next year like really good, man. You really need to start it up well. You have to invest in yourself. That's just the thing. You have to invest in yourself and get this thing right. So I don't think there's any other thing that we need to look at on NASDAQ. There's nothing else. Price is so as clean as it will be. We don't need to look at monthly. This monthly candle hasn't closed yet. Until when it closed, that's when we look at it. Last month candle closed bullish. So we expect this monthly candle to go up, which it has done. All right. So look at this candle. This candle closed bullish, closing above this. I think I mentioned, yeah, I mentioned this last week, but I mentioned it on the weekly candle. All right. So we can see we closed above this. This is a market structure shift, a break of structure, not market structure shift, a break of structure. So we expect the next candle to push higher. And what happened? The next candle pushed high. It has already pushed high. So it doesn't matter if it wants to continue going up, because if we want to trade this candle, we're trading the open, low, high. We don't know if this is gonna be the close yet. I don't know if how far it wants to play. We just have one more week, right? Don't know how. So I mentioned this on the weekly candle of last week, which I told you guys that we closed above this, right? So we expect NAS to go higher a little bit. Well, no, okay, I didn't mention a little bit, but I expect it to go higher. All right. So what happened here? We opened and price went higher. This is a simple thing that you all should know. See, that was how many pips? 400 pips. And what happened again? What I predicted again, this internal range price also came to it. Okay, that's a lot of pips. All right, I'm not gonna be here teaching how you can catch this and catch it. Yeah, of course we caught these buys. I was in these buys like so many times. I didn't catch this big sell, but I caught part of the sell. I caught good part of the sell, like a comfortable part of it, which was this. I caught it from here. I caught it from this level here down to this, and a little bit sell from here again. So I don't need to catch the sniper entry. I don't need it. I was in the buy going up here, more buy here. Then before this drop came out of nowhere and dropped. Right. So anyways, guys, this is gonna be it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the little lecture that I give to you. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up so I will know that you enjoyed it, and comments. Tell me what you liked about it, and tell me what's questioned. I like when someone is listening to me and asking me questions, right? Not like I enjoyed it, it's for your own good. It's for your own good. So you ask question and I can make another video. Can even make a video during the week based on your question, and use that to answer your question. Okay, so, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. All right, subscribe and make this your channel. Trust me. I know I keep saying this, but it's all good. I'm giving you a lot, and I'm willing to give you more. All right, I'm willing to give you more because this is what I wanted when I started. Right, when I started trading, this is what I wanted, but I couldn't find it out there. So I told myself, once I get those things that I want, I'm gonna be giving it out. Right, so trust me, you've not even seen anything yet based on what I'm still going to offer to you guys this new year that is coming. So you need to subscribe and turn on the notification button and get ready for next year. All right, peace out till I talk to you again.